Did we check?
Check.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ado toa kat sang si set with no.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel.
Yes.
Yeah, watching.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina. Today we have the power, the sun is out, and we want to tell you about verbs. So, we have 21 verbs that we want to talk about. And all these 21 verbs, you will use them in your daily routines. And what else? Where else do you use verbs? So, stay around. Good. So, we shall say the word in Luo. Then we say the word in English. And then we shall talk about the derivatives of the word. Okay? For example, an, in, an, one, gin. So, me is an. In. What is in? You. In. Then, an. Who?
That person.
Her or him.
Yes.
N. Then, one. One and us. One. Us. Then, gin. Them. One. There is something in Luo they say, one. To gin. One. To gin.
That does not make sense.
We are us and they are them. It doesn't make English sense, but English in Luo it really makes sense. So, those are the forms that we are going to take. The me, you, us, them, him. The verbs are going to take that form. I don't think there's an it though. Oh. So we start with the first one. The first one is the. The means to go. The. So, if it's me going, I say at the. Idi. Odi. Udi. Wadi. Gidi. So you see, whoa. It has all taken the form of a, I, o, u, wa, and gi. Okay? And we shall translate all this so that it's easier for you to see. So go, adi, I'm going. Idi, you're going. Odi, he's going. Udi, you are going. Wadi, we are going. Gidi, they are going. So we move on to the next one, which is neno. So can you use a, I, a, one, and again?
Okay. Aneno. Ineno. Oneno. Uneno. Gineno. Waneno.
Yes. Aneno, ineno, oneno, uneno, waneno, gineno. So I have seen, you have seen, they have seen, we have seen, that they have seen, that they have seen, that everybody has seen, and everybody is seeing. Okay? Number 3, yawo. Ayawo. Iyao. Oyao. Uyawo. Wayawo. Giyao. And yao means?
Open.
Number 4, loro.
Loro
means?
Door, close.
Yes. Aloro. I have closed. Iloro. You have closed. Oloro. He has closed. Uloro. All of you have closed it, okay? Waloro. We have closed. Giloro. They have closed. Okay? Number 5. Luoco.
Luoco.
What is luoco?
Wash.
Wash. Al luoco.
Al luoco.
Il luoco.
Il luoco.
Al luoco.
O luoco.
Ngokeno. Un luoco.
Un luoco.
Wal luoco.
Wal luoco.
Gil luoco.
Gil luoco.
Okay. Then we move on to nindo. What is nindo?
Sleep.
Nindo is sleep. Anindo.
Anindo.
Inindo.
Inindo.
Onindo.
Onindo.
Unindo.
Unindo.
Wanindo.
Wanindo.
Ginindo.
Ginindo.
Good. Then the next one is chieu.
Chieu.
What is chieu?
Wake up.
Wake up. Chieu. Achieu.
Achieu.
Ichieu.
Ichieu.
Ochieu.
Ochieu.
Uchieu.
Uchieu.
Wachieu.
Wachieu.
Gichieu.
Gichieu.
Okay? Good. So the first 7. No, are they 7? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 6. We didn't say luoco. Did we say luoco?
Yes, we did.
Oh, we said. No, we didn't say luoco.
We did.
Okay. So those are the first 7. Now let's move on to the next ones. Loso.
Loso.
Aloso.
Aloso.
Iloso.
Iloso.
Oloso.
Oloso.
Uloso.
Uloso.
Waloso.
Waloso.
Giloso.
Giloso.
Loso means
Fix.
fix, yes, or to make. Modo.
Modo.
Modo means
Drink.
drink. Amodo.
Amodo.
Imodo.
Imodo.
Omodo.
Omodo.
Umodo.
Umodo.
Wamodo.
Wamodo.
Gimodo.
Gimodo.
Rieo.
Rieo.
Rieo means
Oh.
stretch. Rieo. Rieo is to stretch, okay? Arieo.
Arieo.
Irieo.
Irieo.
Orieo.
Orieo.
Urieo.
Urieo.
Warieo.
Warieo.
Girieo.
Girieo.
Ndiko.
Ndiko.
What does ndiko?
Right.
Right. Andiko.
Andiko.
Indiko.
Indiko.
Ondiko.
Ondiko.
Undiko.
Undiko.
Wandiko.
Wandiko.
Gindiko.
Gindiko.
Good. So, then move on to what?
Somo.
Somo. Somo. Asomo.
Asomo.
Isomo.
Isomo.
Osomo.
Osomo.
Usomo.
Usomo.
Wasomo.
Wasomo.
Gisomo.
Gisomo.
And somo means
Read.
read. So, those are 5 more. We have 7 more. Now the first one is chung.
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 Now chung is very difficult to pronounce if you're not Luo because of ng.
Ng.
Chung.
Chung.
So the best way to say chung is you see when you say sing.
Sing.
I am a singer.
I am a singer.
Say singer. That
Singer.
nga. That is the same way you say chung. So sing, chung, sing, chung, sing, chung, sing, chung, sing, chung, sing. All right. Let's go back. So chung means stand.
Stand.
Achung,
Achung.
ichung,
Ichung.
wachung,
Wachung.
ochung,
Ochung.
uchung,
Uchung.
gichung.
Gichung.
Good. Then the next one is bit.
Bit.
Bit is the opposite of chung. So, a bit,
A bit.
e bit,
Ebit.
obit,
Obit.
ubit,
Ubit.
wabit,
Wabit.
gibit,
Gibit.
bit, not bet, bit.
Bit.
Because if you say bet,
You're saying something
it's
else.
something else. And now it means to hack with a machete. That is bet.
Bet.
A bet.
A bet.
A bet.
I
That
bet.
is like asking, can I hack the thing with a machete? You know
Cut.
that? Yeah, cut with the machete. Not chop, like chop.
Not
It's-
with the knife.
No, not with the knife. With a machete. That is bet. So you have to say bet.
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 So you see the tonal variation. Bet.
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 So don't say bet.
Bet.
Because if you say bet, it means can I chop you off? And now that would be like a dangerous thing. So you say bet.
Bet.
A bet.
A bet.
Not a bet. A bet is asking a dangerous question. So a bet.
A bet.
Good. Woto.
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 And you have to pronounce the W and the U and the O. Wo.
Wo.
Woto.
Woto.
Woto means to walk. Walk.
Walk.
Woto. Woto.
Woto.
Awoto.
Awoto.
Iwoto.
Iwoto.
Owoto.
Owoto.
Uwoto.
Uwoto.
Wawoto.
Wawoto.
Gi woto.
Giwoto.
Good. Ringo.
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 Please don't confuse Ringo and Ringo. They have the same spelling. They have just an apostrophe separating them, but the pronunciations are different. So Ringo means
Ringo.
to
Play.
run.
Oh, run.
Run. Ringo.
Ringo.
Ringo means
Fish.
beef. It's this one.
I always confuse wretch with
Yeah, Ringo is meat, beef. But Ringo is to run. So Aringo,
Aringo.
Iringo,
Iringo.
Oringo,
Oringo.
Uringo,
Oringo.
Waringo,
Waringo.
Giringo.
Giringo.
Good. The next one is Biro.
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 Biro means come. Biro.
Biro.
Abiro.
Abiro.
Ibiro.
Ibiro.
Obiro.
Obiro.
Ubiro.
Ubiro.
Wabiro.
Wabiro.
Gibiro.
Gibiro.
Good. And then we have chung.
Chung.
Oh, chung we had already said. We have dawo.
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 Dawo is to fight. Dawo.
Dawo.
Dao is to. Dao can take different meanings. It can mean to fight. It can mean to like when someone is
Argument.
yeah, like if someone is arguing with you, okay? It doesn't mean really like they're punching you, but they might be talking at you, like
Arguing about something.
arguing about something, and you know.
Opposing against something.
Yes, that is also dawo. Adawo.
Adawo.
Idao.
Idao.
Odao.
Odao.
Udao.
Udao.
Wadao.
Wadao.
Gidao.
Gidao.
Good. So those are the many verbs that we have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Now, if you like this video and you like our content, please give it a thumbs up and write a comment up down below. If you write a comment, what happens is YouTube promotes the video so many people can know about it. Koronikitieki.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss a video when we
post when we post.
You can find us on Facebook, Patreon, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. What else?
Nini.
Everything.
Nakanaga.
Yes. At Luo English Dictionary. For now, Oriti.
Toodles.
Goodbye.
Pio.
Pio.
What does pio mean?
Fast.
Fast. Pio.
Pio.
Adi pio.
Adi pio.
Idi pio.
Idi pio.
Odi pio.
Odi pio.
Udi pio.
Udi pio.
Wadi pio.
Wadi pio.
Gidi pio.
Gidi pio.
So pio is not a verb
Oh.
because we are using the for pio.
Which is go.
So pio is our what in English?
Pio. Fast.
No. Like what is the meaning of what type of it's not a verb. We put it here, but it's not a verb. Pio, mos, those are not verbs. Don't get?
Yeah, they are opposites.
Yeah, they are opposites of each other. So, duk, trut, clang, 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 clang. Aya.